Welcome to the Voxtelesys Portal Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to edit phone numbers in the Voxtelesys portal. Log into the Voxtelesys portal, click on the Phone Numbers tab, then click on Numbers from the dropdown. Click on the Edit icon next to the number you wish to modify. Select the Route Profile from the dropdown. The Route Profile is where Voxtelesys will direct your incoming calls. You can add or modify your route profiles under the SIP Trunks tab. Enable Outbound CNAM. Outbound CNAM is the calling name you want to show up when making outbound calls. Note that this name updates the CNAM database, and carriers that support incoming calling name will dip into the CNAM database to pull the outbound name you set. Sometimes carriers cache or do not dip every call, so it can take up to 48 hours to work properly. Type an outbound caller name. Enable Inbound CNAM. With Inbound CNAM enabled, we'll do a name lookup on any number that calls this DID. If there's a name, we'll display it on your phone. Enable SMS. When enabling SMS, you'll need to select your service trunk, messaging application, and campaign. If you need to create a messaging application, you can do so under the API tab. Note that a campaign is recommended but not required. To bypass the campaign, you can select None. If you run into any trouble messaging a number or carrier, a campaign will be needed to open any tickets. You can create the campaign on our portal under Documents. Click on OK when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully edited a phone number in the Voxtelesys portal. Check back for more helpful videos from Voxtelesys, as well as other helpful guides.